Chinese. I just want to say, those Chinese people, they're suckers. And I will never forgive them. Well, I'm Chinese and Filipino. Well, for one reason, Optimus here, the Voyager class one, is also mad, but the Leader class one, it's also Chinese. Well, all those Chinese people out there trying to kill animals are going to jail. Do you think it's funny? Do you think it's funny? Well, it's not. Those animals are gonna get extinct, or those animals are gonna get endangered, or worse, extinct. This is a quick video with Scorpion Johnson 0198, aka Animal Lover. What happened to the whales? They're endangered. I don't want all animals to be endangered.